there, folks. Today, we're diving into a fascinating news story about the future of technology and innovation. Turkey, a country known for its technological advancements, has just unveiled its latest project, a brand new $10 billion humanoid robot factory. This factory is set to produce 74,000 humanoid robots each year, revolutionizing industries and changing the way we live and work. The primary purpose of these humanoid robots is to assist in various fields like education, healthcare, construction, and agriculture. They are designed to have advanced learning capabilities and will be able to communicate with humans using both sign language and voice technology. This groundbreaking technological leap isn't just about automation. It's about improving human lives. These robots are expected to take on hazardous tasks in industry and even travel to space as part of the Turkish Space Agency's mission. So what do you think about this? Is this the future we envisioned? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting updates on the world of technology. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting news.